Today, the price of Bitcoin has crashed below $75,000. Saturday was still above $83,000. But the Black Monday of the financial markets this time also hit the price of BTC before the electoral victory of Donald Trump. At the beginning of November, the quotation of the price of Bitcoin was about $70,000. As soon as the victory of Trump was known, it had first soared to $76,000, then to $91,000, and in December it had even risen above $100,000. Shortly before the inauguration at the White House of the new president, on January 20th, 2025, the price of BTC recorded its all-time high, above $109,000, and then its rise stopped. At the beginning of February, a decline phase began, which is still ongoing, that brought the price of Bitcoin first below $100,000, then below $80,000 at the end of February, and then below $76,000 today. This latest crash is due to the so-called Black Monday. Since the end of last week, a possible Black Monday was being speculated for today, and in the end, the crash has arrived. The problem is Trump's trade policy, which at this point seems likely to lead the USA, and perhaps the entire world, into a recession. On Polymarket, for example, a month ago, bettors considered a recession in the USA in 2025 as highly unlikely, less than 25% probability, while in the last 7 days, this probability has skyrocketed from 38% to 64%. It is precisely this change of perspective that forces investors and speculators to quickly take cover to rebalance their portfolios in anticipation of the recession. Until 2 weeks ago, portfolios largely ignored the risk of recession. However, in recent days, they have been forced to take it seriously into consideration. The consequence of all this is a collapse of the traditional financial markets, with the Hong Kong Stock Exchange losing 11% today alone, while those of Tokyo and Shanghai lose 8%. The European stock exchanges have just opened with a minus 4% that could increase during the day, while the USA stock exchanges are still closed, but the futures indicate an opening at minus 4%.